This month we are going to sew a fun bee and I don't know, blossom, bloom, I don't know, bud, maybe, block. So I put 2 of the bees together opposite and then did 2 of the blocks together opposite to make a pillow. Hey everybody, it's Becky from Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group where I help you finish what you start, use what you have, and sew with others, making cute projects. This is what we are going to be sewing this month. I'm going to say that the bee is paper pieced, but don't worry about it. I'm going to walk you through step by step. You're going to get the templates or the paper that you're going to use to print. You only need 2. If you are interested in the paper piecing technique, this is a perfect project. You're not committed to a whole big thing. Making a pillow and trying a little bit of a new technique is the perfect way to dip your toe into this. The pattern is available for Make and Take monthly members as well as Patchworkers Plus members. So they get the pattern plus the quilt pattern and they get sewing days along with this. So that's the place you're going to find the full pattern and experience. There's going to be a link in the description to get more information on that. Also, there is just a little bit of raw edge applique. I'm kind of lazy. Don't be afraid of it. If you want to do needle turn, go right ahead. I just whip my needle around this on the sewing machine super quick. But if you wanted to do a buttonhole, that would be super cute as well. So just know there's a couple different options. Use your favorite technique for this. But if you just want to get a quick project done, raw edge works just fine. The edges are going to shag up just a little bit with use, and I kind of like that look when it comes to like cute little simple projects like a pillow. You can use your walking foot for quilting this pillow top. So it's really a simple design. I did a grid. I kind of made a mistake, but you'll find out more about that later on in the video. But yeah. So a little bit of paper piecing, a little bit of applique, raw edge is my technique go-to, and a little bit of walking foot quilting using your own sewing machine. This is going to be a great project for the springtime.